Welcome to MIF Cortex. In this video, we will talk through the client module and explore how to manage engineering project efficiently. Create your account by filling the name, email address and create a password by giving your number and select the client role. After giving sign up, you will get a 6-digit verification code from the given email address. Let's begin by signing in with the client's registered email address and password. After successful login, you will be taken to the client dashboard where you can view project summaries, recent activities, and important notification. On the left side navigation panel, you will find all the modules required to manage your engineering project. First, let's open the profile section. Here you can view and update your personal and company information whenever needed. Next, navigate to the project module. This section allows you to create new project and manage existing ones. Click on create project. Now enter the required project details such as the project name, category, description, location and other necessary information. Once all the required details have been entered, click submit to create the project successfully. The newly created project is now available in the project list. Select the project to view its complete information. Inside the project detail page, you can review project information, monitor progress, and manage project activities.